Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I hope you had a great holiday season. I feel like it's been forever since I filmed, but I'm so excited to be back with my favorite box, Goddess Provisions. So we're opening up the January box today. I'm so excited to see what's inside. I surprisingly haven't peeked yet, so we're going to open it here together. So I love Goddess Provisions. I read about them every month. They've been a favorite of mine forever. It's $33 a month and you get a mix of spiritual items. It's all based around a theme and it's so good. I've loved every box. I feel like you get like total bang for your buck. So worth it. I love it so much, and I'm so grateful that I have a 10% off code to share with you guys and link, so I'll leave that down below if you're interested in subscribing. This 10% off also works on their boutique, which, by the way, you guys, if you watched last month's video, I got the 2024 Moon Wisdom Planner by Goddess Provisions, and I've been using this since the start of the year, and I freaking love it. I already loved it when I was going through it because I did a flip through, so I will link the December video down below, and you can just watch this part or watch all of it so you can get like a better sense of what you get in Goddess Provision boxes if this is your first time checking them out with me today. But yeah, I've been loving this. So yeah, the 10% off code works on the box as well as the boutique. You can get so many items there, including this. So I just had to follow up and tell you guys I've been loving this. And look how pretty it is. And Emmy's joining us. So I'll see when I'm opening this. Did I get open? So my roof, they're doing repairs and now they're doing tile replacement. So they're on their lunch break right now. So I am sneaking in some videos. Emmy's been such a brave girl. Yesterday when they started, she just hid the whole time. But today she's been coming out more. Very needy. If you guys can see her little tail. No. She wants some butt scratches right now. Oh, good girl, Emmy. You're so brave. But let's get to the box. Let me open it up. Refresh and renew. We have a bunch of items in here. So let's take a look. This is so pretty and I love the sound of that. And there's teacups on here and I haven't had my afternoon tea yet. So I'm like, ooh, I wonder if we'll get some. So I forgot, yeah, they don't have to they're a very eco-friendly company. I should have mentioned this in the beginning. They plant a tree for each subscription sold. They use all recycled material and now they have a smaller handout. You used to fold open, so they're using less paper this way. So this is the Divine Sanctuary box. Each box contains a surprise assortment of items selected with the divine intention and blessing that they be perfectly aligned with supporting your soul's journey. So then they have a website linked here so you can go see all the items. So it is a variety of items now. And you get 6 items in each box. And yeah, so there's, you guys have to let me know, did we get the same items or do we get something different? This is cool. First thing I see, by Goddess Provisions. So this is likely something you can get in their shop individually. Mystic Messages Heat Changing Mug. I love their packaging because it'll have affirmations. What does this one say? Heat reveals the mystic messages, magical libations, and good vibrations. So this is really cool. Look, see, you can even see here thing from 100% recycled paper. They're very eco-conscious, and everything you get is cruelty-free and vegan as well. But this mug is awesome. So when you pour your tea or coffee, whatever, into it, it changes color. So this will turn I think it turns purple. And it says something here in the middle too when you light it up. It says, today is magical. I think that's what it says right there. So when you pour in your hot liquid in here, it'll light up all around here. Isn't that so cool? And on the other side, we have this crystal ball. So I think that's so cool and so unique. And I know we're all tea, coffee lovers here. I know I am, at least. I am. So let's keep going. That is awesome. I'm excited. So I didn't mention this in the beginning. So now if you've been getting Goddess Provisions for years and years, you will be starting to get repeat items. If you're brand new, you don't have to worry about that. But there will be some items featured from past boxes. They just started that last month. But this is an item I used to have and I don't anymore. And now I'm more of a plant mom. So I'm super excited. This is a planter cover. I'm pretty sure this is what it is. Let's look at it. I'm so excited because I have some. I'm looking around because I'm looking at my plants. I have some planters that aren't that aesthetically pleasing, so I can put them in here. Isn't this so cute? And I love the color. I'm all about green. I've got my green couch. I'm always wearing green jewelry, typically. I have green crystals. I love green. And I think this is so cute. So you just put your little plants in here. Little planter cover. I love that. What do you think, Emmy? I wish you guys could see her. Emmy, what do you think of this? Want to sniff it? Emmy approves. Next up, we have the Inner Eye Ceramic Dish by Goddess Provisions. A sacred space for your jewels, herbs, crystals, and other treasures. Ooh, I don't know if I have this. I remember, this is so cute. I love little trinket trays. They're so helpful. Like you can put your jewelry on here, some crystals, whatever it is, your keys, you know, if you want to put on your like crescendo or, did I really use that word? I'm so not good with interior design, but you know, like in table, is it called a crescendo? I don't know, but I love this. This is so cute. And this will go with any decor, right? Love that so much. And I think that's really great. We're getting stuff. It says Divine Sanctuary box. And so far we've gotten all things for our home, our sanctuary. I love that. They are so good with their themes and the items they provide. And their items last forever. Like my apartment is just like full of God's Provisions items. This ring is from a past God's Provisions box. I'm like, I know there's other things around me as well. But let's keep going. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Bali Pura Crystal Infused Mist. I love this, especially if you have like pets around, you don't always want to burn things. This is like a mist to clear the energy in your space, which could be safer if you have like asthma or stuff like that, or it's like freezing where you are and you don't want to open all your windows. Energetic cleansing for your home and workspace. Cruelty-free, palm oil-free, paraben-free, pure essential oils, ethical trade, vegan. Yeah, they always include items like that. So this is a smokeless smudge spray. Blessed on a full moon by Balinese Priestess, produced on sacred spring water under the phases of the moon and the elements, infused with the energy of Herkimer diamond, citrine, amber, selenite, and black tourmaline. Essential oil blend is tea tree, lemon, lavender, sage, clary sage, and those are all certified organic. This sounds amazing. I'm so excited. Let's get this. And again, perfect for the sanctuary. Aren't they so good? Oh, I think I did have this forever ago, and I definitely used it up. It's cute, too. I love stuff like this. And I do, like, tarot readings, which, by the way, check out my other channel if you haven't already, please. Kitty Rising. Where we use the tool of tarot to rise above and live our most abundant lives. I can use this in between my readings. And just for my space. I'm so excited about this. I'm loving this. So even if you have gotten God's Provision for years and years, it's totally fine. I know some people were like questioning that, but I think this is such a good box for the spiritual friends out there, spiritual people who have been spiritual for like ever or just dipping into it. I feel like this is just so fun and so awesome. And you get a crystal every month. I don't know what this is. I don't think I have this crystal. Last month, you know, was the first month they had some repeat items from their shop, and I didn't have that crystal yet. That was rose jasper. I looked it up after because I use my phone to film, so I can't like Google quickly. This, I know I don't have this. What is this like a yellow jasper or I'll have to look it up. But that's awesome. I love crystals. What is it? It looks kind of familiar, but I definitely don't have this exact stone. And I'm excited to look it up and learn about it. Yay! And then the last thing we have is the Lunar Light Sun Catchers Window Decal Set. And it says in the back, I am balanced with the energies of the sun and the moon. To adorn your space in rainbows, remove film from clings, adhere to a clean, damp, sun-facing window. Oh my God, literally everything was so great for the home. I'll have to see how the crystal fits in. But I mean, crystals are great to be in your home to clear the energy and bring forth certain energies as well, right? I just totally ripped it. Oh, I think I remember these. I don't have them now though. So cool. I love that. I do have like certain things hanging from my windows and some certain decals I've had before, and I love seeing the rainbows come in. It makes me so happy because rainbows like are really special to me specifically from like past experience. But It's just so fun to see. And these are super cute too. Yay, that was so good. Everything really did have to do with our sanctuary. I really refer to my home as a sanctuary. I just did the other day. So we have the Lunar Light Sun Catchers kits. We have the mug. I'm excited about this mug. The planter. I'm really excited about this. Our little trinket tray. I call it the aura spray. Yeah, it is an aura spray. The space clearing aura spray. Love that. And I think that's everything, right? Oh, and the crystal. So I'm gonna have to go look into this, but if you guys want to like take a guess in the comments, I can reply to you later and let you know what this is. But I love this box, you guys. It's such like a dose of monthly inspiration to really deepen my spiritual practice or take it in different directions. Now I'm feeling like, you know, this is a great time of year to really work on your home and your sanctuary, your space, because we're spending more time at home in the colder months. You know, I'm like in like a sundress because I mean, it is like 70 degrees here, but you know, I had a sweater on earlier. But yeah, it's, you know, still, I spend a lot of time at home. So no matter what your climate is, no matter what time you're, I just think it is a great time, you know, winter to go within, make your space, you know, more of a sanctuary. I'm definitely going to do that. I've been really feeling the pull to like declutter and like just do a big like smoke cleanse or something as well. So this is motivating me. So yeah, if you guys really want to step up your spiritual practice, start a spiritual practice, enhance it in any way, get monthly inspiration, I totally recommend God's Provision. So again, I will link them down below along with that code. And I will link this video down below as well because this is amazing. I want to like show you guys again right now, but I don't have to because I already did. I want to. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.